Hypnosis is often something people think about as other people doing for them. You're doing hypnosis for yourself. If you have a mind, if you have a body, your brain is doing this natural phenomenon of self-hypnosis nearly all of the time. You are in a trance. You are in a story. You are emotionally, chemically, electrically connected to some experience of reality. If you want to change anything in your reality, you can do that. You can make instantaneous change. We do that all of the time. And often these changes can become lasting stories. But so many people feel stuck in patterns, stuck in cycles. And that is why I want people to wake up from any story, any hypnosis, any self-hypnosis that is no longer serving them, or maybe never was, or maybe someone else hypnotized you. It doesn't matter. We aren't finding the person to blame. We are making change. You are making change. I invite you to make change. You have massive untapped potential in your imagination. It is brilliant beyond anything I could describe as intelligence. Your imagination, and you don't have to be creative, it knows a solution. And so often we get confused and we think that the solution is not having the problem. We think that solution means not having this story or this feeling or this pattern. When you think your solution is a problem with a big X in it, what you're really just communicating through hypnosis to yourself is the reality that there is that problem. And what you really, really want, I'm guessing if you're calling this thing a problem, is to be in the experience of reality without that. So don't think about a big X through anything. Think instead about what it is, the clarity of what you are desiring. And I'll know for most people that is peace, that is wellness, that's prosperity or abundance, it's happiness, it's vitality, it's passion, and it's this ability to experience what we could call contentment. But contentment does not mean that you have checked out into a Zen Buddhist state. I think those are great states to be in. But what I really like for people to be in is that captain's seat of self-directing their hypnosis experience so that they can experience anything that they want. And if you want to understand more about how to do self-hypnosis, please join me for a live experience. I do these every week. It is free hypnosis. You can interact with me via chat if you want to experience how to do hypnosis, better hypnosis for yourself, because you've already been in states of hypnosis well before working with a professional hypnotist, or even understanding that this phenomenon of mind that you are doing unconsciously and consciously is what I'm calling hypnosis. This is Lauren with Modern Day Hypnosis, and I am so excited to help you wake up from any trance that is no longer, or perhaps never was, serving you. Thanks.